So here we are in the pre-sacristy where we prepare for the liturgy. And you know, as we look throughout the space, it is a little bit confined, so we do want to try to open up the space a little bit with some new flooring. We did have a leak at one point that damaged some of the flooring as well. But then one of the areas that we also get a lot of things from our insurance company on is how we turn on and off the lights. And so we have this breaker panel here that has been used since as long as I can remember to turn on and off the lights in the church. We want to be able to have a push button electronic digital system so that not only does it make it easier and we're not flipping breakers every time we turn on and off the lights, but it will also, with LED lights, allow us the ability to set different stages. So if we have adoration, we can have a button for adoration that allow the lights in the main body of the church to dim, but still have a little bit of light, have a beam that focuses on the altar, and make it a beautiful atmosphere for adoration. So again, we want to not only repair and renew the church, but also we have to think liturgically. How does this place function liturgically? And so we want to make sure that we accentuate the liturgies that we celebrate and make them truly uplifting celebrations.